Hey Chinese, Namaste. I'm Abhishek from India. How's the Josh? How are you guys? I hope all the citizens of your country are well. But sorry, every single person on the earth, every single person of each country are anxious and worried. Humanity is in danger. I accept you introduced the world to the touch technology. Touch phones, touch PCs, tablets, TVs, fridges, watches. Nice step towards innovation and development. But now, you went one step ahead from me by inventing YD, means wireless disease, touch disease. I am talking about COVID-19, actually Chinese virus, Corona. I believe 101% that it is man-made virus. Either it is constructed in laboratory or produced by doing inappropriate activities. I mean by eating, by mixing breeds or through market. In the first case, who makes the viruses yaar? Why to make road towards destructive technology? And in the second case, do think wisely. Not everything is permissible in this world, and not every creature is edible. There are always some restrictions in every action. Actually, the main concern is your government, not any part of the world. The people of one country have hatred or enmity for the people of the another country. The policy of China, the policy of colonization, and the policy of expansionism, heading towards the destruction of the world as well as China. Don't high stomach on your power. In this era, each and every country have various type of weapons. Even small countries have sufficient amount of it, like bombs, tanks, missiles. But to pacifists, I want to ask you one question. If you colonize some small countries for their lands, can you take these pieces of land with you at the end of life? To whom won't you rule if no one is alive? One question from Chinese government. Tell me one thing without being liars. Don't you want to lead the world by wars or by virus? None. None can win one by war or by virus. You know, there are many countries ready for war, ready to attack. Don't be a spark to that fire. It could destroy the humanity. It could destroy the world. In these all circumstances, all the losses will be suffered by the people of the world, people of the China, people of the India, or any part of the country, not by the politicians who have started it. That's why I am talking to you, not to the politicians or the leaders. Don't you want a real democratic country? Free to work, free to speak, free to express, free to know. Didn't your government hide about virus spread at earlier stage, where it can be prevented from community transfer? I don't know where your COVID-19 graph has been reached, but I am sure you also don't know about your corona graph. As your government don't show any data. You know, in the whole world data, China's COVID-19 data has been showing 82 to 83,000 for the last 3 months. But actually, it may be in lakhs or in crores. If you think I am talking about your internal matter, then friends, liberty is universal. I don't want any Dr. Lee will die like this, ever, again. Never any media personnel will be abducted. And not any single social worker will be jailed for raising voice for humanity, for human rights. And at last, as I am talking to you softly, don't think we the Indians are cowards or afraid of this tiny virus or any type of weapon or even world war. हम तो पैदा ही सर पे कफन बांध कर होते हैं, but वी बिलीव इन नॉन वायलेंस पॉलिसी ऑफ महात्मा गांधी। हमारा तो नारा ही है वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, पूरा विश्व ही हमारा परिवार है। वी बिलीव इन स्लोगन ऑफ लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी ऑफ नेपोलियन। वी बिलीव इन यूनिवर्सल पीस। वी ऑलवेज प्रे फॉर द लास्ट मैन ऑफ द अर्थ। वी आर द इंडियंस। If you still think it is your personal matter, then I want to conclude it with my personal slogan: love human, love humanity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. With lot of love, thanks to all.